Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my first ever Boxycharm premium box. I've been subscribed to the base box since July, and then I've also tried out deluxe in September, and I just recently unboxed it in December this month, and I decided to try out premium, and this is my first box ever. I did already unbox my Boxyluxe for this month, and I'll link it down below in case you want to watch that. And I'm still waiting on my base box, but I will be unboxing it for my channel when it arrives. But anyway, this is my first time trying premium, and I'm super excited to see if it's worth it, because this box, in case you didn't know, it's a little bit of an upgrade from the base box. The base box costs $25 a month, and you're promised 5 full-size beauty products, where this one costs $35. So it's a $10 upgrade, and you get 6 products, and you're supposed to have, your value is supposed to be a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and see if it's worth it, because I don't know if I'll need both boxes every single month. But anyway, before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for hanging out today. My name is Nori, and in my channel I do a lot of makeup tutorials, reviews, unboxings, and I'm also on a weight loss journey. I share everything about my weight and what I do to lose weight. And I also do plus size fashion try on haul. So if you like any of that stuff, then definitely go ahead and subscribe. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay guys, so this is my premium box. Ta-da, it's that blue color, it says premium. First I'm trying it out. I cannot believe that I finally went ahead and tried it, because I was just a little skeptical because I already own so much makeup. But this month, December, Christmas month, I wanted to splurge and try out the different variations just to see if it's worth it. I don't know if I'll pay for it next month. I don't know if I'll need it, but let's see what's in it. Okay, so this month's theme is Bubbles and Glitz. Super cute. And I got variation 1 right here. And I do not know the weight of it. If I do find out the weight of it, I'll either write it down in the description or somewhere, because I just never got any, I never got a confirmation email or anything like that for my shipping, but variation number 1. Okay, so the first thing in my box is this Viseart eyeshadow palette. It's a Viseart Neutral Matte 01 12 pen eyeshadow palette. So it's an all matte shadow palette. Let me get it out of the packaging. I didn't know it was this small. I follow all the sneak peeks on Instagram, so I had an idea of what we could get, but I didn't think it was this small. Let's go ahead and open this to give you a closer look, and me too, because I haven't seen it up close. Okay, so this is the color story. I know they had 2 variations. They had one that was more berry toned, which I would have preferred, but this is totally fine. And this retails for $80. And it says Viseart's all-time best-selling palette. Oh, I did not know that. I don't know much about Viseart. I just know that they're supposed to have really good quality eyeshadows. And I'm obsessed with eyeshadow, so I'm totally down to try it. To be honest, I love shimmers, but I have enough shimmers in my collection that I could totally use this palette and then use the shimmer from a different palette. But for some reason, I'm kind of tempted to just try an all matte look, just because I never go for that. And I feel like this is kind of going to challenge me to try out an all matte look, because we get a nice range. We got darks down here, but all these lights, like I can kind of see, I could create a look with some contrast. I love contrast in my eyeshadow looks. But anyway, I'm definitely going to try this out on my channel, possibly. Or I don't know, just to play with at home. But I like it. I do like it. I enjoy getting different kinds of eyeshadow palettes. I love eyeshadow palettes. If you're new to my channel, yes, that's a fun fact about me. I'm obsessed with eyeshadow palettes. And most of my eyeshadow palettes are really vibrant. Or even if they're not vibrant, they have a lot of shimmers. So it should be interesting to play with this one. But again, that retails for $80, and that was the first product in my box. The next product in my box is the Elemis, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. The future of eye care is here, featuring an innovative Cloud Light gel formula. This serum infused eye mask is clinically proven to minimize the appearance of wrinkles while helping to reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles around the eyes, and it retails for $82. Sounds like magic, and I don't know, maybe I'll try it out. It sounds really interesting. I have pretty sensitive skin, so I'm not into a lot of skincare, but stuff for the eyes for some reason really interests me more than like a lot of the different masks. that I get all the time. Ooh, I really am a sucker for packaging. Super pretty and sleek. I don't know, I feel like it's really nice to display your skincare. And that's what it looks like inside, in case you're wondering. And I guess you put this around your eye area. You know what? This I'm definitely gonna try because I'm skeptical with some skincare, but like I said, the eye area, I feel like I need to improve my routine with my skincare routine when it comes to my eye area. I don't do much. I have an eye cream and that's it pretty much, but I'm definitely gonna try this out. And again, that retails for $82. And that was my second product in my box. The next thing in my box is the True and Luscious Lucky Glow Palette. This Anytime, Anywhere Summer Essentials palette features ultra fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous skin-loving color. Wear each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blend together for a customized look. Wow, it's a lot bigger in person than I expected it to be. Okay, so this is what we get. I guess we have some, these look like highlights. We have this coral tone blush right here, which I do like for spring a little bit. I have pretty medium skin, so I don't know how. I mean, it will show up on my skin, especially if I blend it with something different. But then we have some nice highlights. And I guess these could be used as like finishing powders for my skin tone. I mean, I didn't need something like this because I have a lot of it, but I do like it. I mean, I like things like this because I feel like if you're out and about and you don't have an eyeshadow palette, you could totally create a look with this. I did that the other day. I was out with my family and I needed to do my makeup and I forgot an eyeshadow palette and I just used my blush and my highlight. Oh, and this one is so interesting. Wow. So this one right here that everybody was talking about online, that saying that it looked like mold, is not mold at all. It looks like shimmery purples and like bluish tones. It's actually really pretty. When I saw it online, I said, that's not, like, why is that there? But I could totally see that as being really, really pretty on the face. I'm gonna try it out. But yeah, that one, again, retails for $46. So pretty cool. That's my fourth product. No, that's my third product, actually. The next product in my box is this cuticle oil. And the card says, the Lifestyle Company 100% natural cuticle oil. This natural healing cuticle oil is made with pure almond oil and jojoba oil to soften and nourish cuticles. It also has lavender oil to help strengthen nails and cuticles and keep them both moisturized. And it retails for $22. I never used anything like this before, but I guess why not? My nails are not done right now at all. I do a lot of cleaning, washing dishes and things like that. So nail polish doesn't last long on my nails, and I have very dry hands, especially in the winter time because I have eczema. So my hands are very, very dry. So for some reason, I think I could try this because why not? I mean, it's not like a nail polish that like, nail polish bothers me because it just chips so much because I do so much at home with water. But this could be cool if it actually moisturizes any part of my hand at all, because I have very dry hands. But again, that retails for $22, and that was the fifth product in my box. I've never gotten anything like that from Boxycharm before, but why not? I'll try it out. Okay, the next thing in my box is a brush set from Crown. It comes in this packaging, and it's the All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. Let's take a look. I am obsessed with brushes. Since I love eyeshadow so much, brushes is like my next favorite thing. Let me get it out of the packaging and show you guys. Okay, so here's how they look right off the bat. I was touching it. They feel so soft, like very, very soft. And that makes me super excited to try them out. Their packaging is really pretty too. Down here, it's like angled. I don't know, I like it. I'm a very big sucker for packaging. The handles are like kind of like rose gold. Yeah, it's like rose gold handles. And then this is white. I don't know, I like the packaging and they feel really, really soft. And let's read about them. It says, this 5-piece set provides all the necessary tools for the application of all eye makeup looks. The luxurious silky brushes deliver optimum and even coverage for a perfect finish every time, adding depth and definition to your look. And this set retails for $34.95. Very nice. I definitely always need more blending brushes like these here. and these for like detail work. I don't know. Yes. Oh, for my crease. I use them so much, and I really, right now I'm collecting a lot. This is the year that I've been collecting makeup. So yeah, I do like it. I'm excited to try this out. I always appreciate getting eyeshadow brushes. And again, that retails for $34.95. And let's go ahead and get into the last and final product in my box. And it looks like it's a mascara. And it is the Elizabeth Mo It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. The volumizing mascara of your dreams, this mega volume long lash max curl mascara lasts all day with no smudge. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day, and it retails for $20. I'm not huge on mascara because I'm into lashes, and I just feel like no mascara really, like, I don't know why. I like to smell it to see if it stinks. Does not stink. This is how the wand looks. It looks interesting. I might try it. There are some days where I really want to go natural and just do like mascara, and there are some that I really love, but it's hard to find ones that you love. So when I find one that I love, I feel like I don't want to try new mascaras because not all of them are great. So, but I will try it out, and that again retails for $20, and that was the last product in my box. Okay guys, so according to my calculations, my box this month was worth $284.95 for my premium box, my first premium box ever, and that's pretty nice. That's a really nice value. Now let's just recap what I got. I got this face palette, this Lucky Glow face palette, this The Art All Matte eyeshadow palette, cuticle oil, 5-piece brush set, mascara, and the Ivory Vive mask. So this is what I got for, I paid $35 and the value of it was around $285. So I definitely say that for the value that you get, it's definitely worth $35. For me personally, I just don't know if I will be keeping my premium box because I'm pretty content with what I get in my base box so far, so I don't need both. Maybe if I hadn't collected so much makeup over the last like almost a year now, I would need both. I don't think I need both, but I'll think about it. I don't know, like 25 plus 35. I don't know if I need both, but it is a nice box. It was a really nice box, and I'm excited to try out these products. In case you're wondering, on my eyes, I'm wearing the Hip Z-Note palette that I got from my Boxy Luxe box, and I just did a tutorial on it, like literally right now, and that should be up on my channel right after this. So if you want to see that, then definitely keep a lookout for that. But yeah, guys, I think that's the end of my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this part, I hope that you'll give it a big thumbs up for me so I know to keep making these videos. And also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.